morning, students. Now, as you know that soon you have your assessment test, online test are there. So, now in this week we will do revision. All students know you already got the syllabus. What is the syllabus of your first assessment test? Are the two chapters. First one is the representation of geographical features and second atmosphere. Questions will ask from these two chapters, not from the chapter Australia or Antarctica. Only two chapters, from two chapters you will get the questions, and the question should be on the in the multiple choice question based. You will get the option, sentence will be given to you and option should be there. You have to choose the correct option and have to click on it. So going to start to give the revision by reading the book. When we started the online classes from the month of April, I was explaining you topic wise, as neither you nor me both were not having the books. So I had shared the videos which were topic based. Now going to read the book and will time to time explain the important sentences from where you can get the questions. Means give you some hint that these are the important lines or on which you have to pay little more stress. So first one is topographical survey maps. What are the topographical maps, survey maps? It is also called as a topo sheet. So here you can get one question, that topographical survey maps are also known as. Now there should be three options. You have to click on topo sheets. Topographical survey maps, commonly known as topo sheets, are large-scale map based on accurate surveys of the land. These maps show, what these maps show? It shows the natural as well as the man-made features. The natural features of the ground, such as the hills, elevation, drainage and the vegetation. Whereas the man-made features, it includes the towns, villages, buildings, roads, canal, bridges and other cultural features in detail. Topographical maps are useful for planning of road irrigation and town plans. All the natural and man-made features are portrayed by the means of symbols and conventional signs. What the man-made and the natural features of the ground are shown on the topographical map it is represented by the conventional signs and symbols. Then what is the purpose of topographical maps? These maps serve a guide for travel. They used for the military purposes. For students of geography, they are very useful to study the regional geography of an area in detail. The topographical maps provide useful information to engineers, surveyors, town planners, tourists, geographers and geologists. They are also useful for navigation. Now, in India, topographical maps were prepared by Survey of India Department. It is again an important sentence, that topographical maps were prepared by Survey of India Department, and it is named on the name of Sir George Everest, on whose name the Mount Everest is named after him. Sir George Everest, on whose name Mount Everest has been named, was the most famous Surveyor General of India. So, if it is asked, the Sir George Everest, who was it? On his name, the Surveyor General of India is named. Next is use of colors on the topographical sheets. So here the figure 1.1, you have to learn very well that which colors are used to represent the ground feature on the map. Here the natural and the man-made features of the topographical maps are shown in color. Each color used on maps has its own significance. These colors are universally accepted, both for the interpretation of survey sheets and for map pointing, means to survey of an area and also of the to point out on the map that what it is presenting. Specified color is there on the map, on the topographical map. We can easily understand what it is presenting. Suppose yellow color is there on the topographical map, we easily come to know that it is showing the cultivable land, plateaus, deserts and plains. So you should keep in mind or have to learn or remember that yellow color is used in the map to represent the cultivable land, plateaus, deserts and plains. Learn it very well. Next, green color is used for the forest area and the lowland areas. White color, rocky area or badland, hence uncultivable land. Blue color, perennial line wells, perennial streams, lakes, ponds and waters bodies in general. Brown color, contour lines, their heights and relief features like mountains. Black color, desert streams and surveyed trees. Red color, permanent huts, settlements and cities. So learn it this very well. Next is what is the grid reference. Here to locate the man-made features and the natural feature or the conventional signs or symbols given on the topographical sheet, one must know how to read the grid system. Here one thing is only important to get the objective questions, that what is the vertical lines on the topographical map which are numbered from west to east are called as eastings, and the horizontal lines which are numbered from south to north are called as northings. And again the combination of these, the easting and the northings or the vertical or the horizontal lines together are called, their network is called as grid reference, is one another important point. The vertical lines, again keep it in mind, the vertical lines are numbered from the west to east are called as easting, and the horizontal lines from south to north are called as northings, and together their network is called as grid reference. Next come to scale. What is scale? What is its use? A scale is a measuring line which shows the relation of a distance between the two places on the map. Here scale means what is the measuring distance of the two places on the map and their actual distance on the ground. Definition of scale. Scale can be defined as, maybe you can get the definition and you have to point out of which term the definition is. So, a ratio between a distance measured on a map and a corresponding distance on the land connecting two points represented by the same unit. It is called as a map. Large scale map is there, small scale. Now what is the main difference? The large scale map shows a small area in a great detail, whereas the small scale map depicts the large area in smaller detail. Large area map shows the small area, large showing the small in greater detail, and the small scale map showing the large area in less detail. Here the example includes, large scale map includes the guide map or the topographic map, whereas the small scale includes the wall maps or the atlas map. Large scale map depicts the geographical features of a small area in detail. Small scale map shows only the important features of a large area. Now here again, distance can be measured by means of scale in three ways. We can measure the distance by three ways. Three ways are there by which we can measure the distance of the ground and in comparison to the map. Three ways are there, which they are the verbal or the statement method, the graphic representation, numeral fraction, and the representative fraction, which is represented by RF. RF represents the representative fraction, and it is also called as numerical fraction. And third one is the graphic scale or a linear scale. Three ways are there to measure the distance, which they are, keep it in mind, that statement or the verbal. It is also the statement scale is also known as the verbal scale, or the verbal scale is also known as the statement scale. Second one is the numerical fraction or also known as representative fraction. And the third one is linear or the graphic. Graphic scale. So you should know both the names, as it can be asked that the linear scale is also known by this name. You have to choose the correct option. Or the numerical fraction is also known by this name, or you can get that RF stands for. So what RF means here in the terms of geography? So representative fraction. It can be asked that verbal scale is also known by this name. So you have to take on statement scale. So learn both the names. Rest we will, what these scales are, will continue in our next class. Prepare it very well. Spend more and more time in preparing your chapters. Have a good day. Thank you.